Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to localize a special number which is called build number, and as you can see it is at the very bottom of the list. So all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. So now we can go back to the general settings and enter the system, which should be right above the About Phone. Now we have to tap on advanced, and as you can see the developer options will be right here. So let's tap on them. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the background check, we can debug the GPU overview, we can show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking overall, because we've got Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, etc. So basically everything works the same, just like in the regular settings. So simply tap on the switcher to activate the option and tap on it again to turn it off. And if you've got the options without the switcher, like for example here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just tap on this switcher which is on this blue background. It is pinned to the top of the screen, so just tap on it and you can see that most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back the developer options should disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.